Okay, let's talk about binary search. So given an array of integers nums, so which is sorted in ascending order, and an integer target, write a function to search a target in nums array. So if your target exists, then return its index, else you return -1. So you have to write in login for runtime. And this question is basically using two pointers since it's login, right? If you do a linear search, it's all of them, right? So if you want to do it in login, then you have the two pointer, one point on the left, the other one point on your right, right? Then the middle value is based on these two pointers. So L plus R minus L divided by 2, which will give you the middle value. And if the value from the nums, the middle value from the nums is less than target, which means it's too small, right? The middle value is too small. Then you have to move your left pointer. If the nums middle value is too big, then you have to move your right. And if the numbers are matched, return the index, else you return -1. So let's just code it and think about how you actually do it. So I'm going to code in L equals 0, R equal to nums.length -1, and while L less than equal to R, okay. This is important for less than equal to. I was forgetting, so important to do. So I will explain this later. So I need a middle value, which is my mid, L plus R minus L divided by 2. So if the middle value, nums mid, is equal to a target, I can just return the index, right? And if not equal, then we have to do the comparison, right? So less than target, we do something else, we do another thing. If the nums middle value is too small compared with the target, then which means we have to move the left pointer to n+1. Else is right equal to n-1. That will be the solution. And other than that, you have to return -1. So why you actually need a less than equal sign is because you need to break out the value. So imagine that when you only have one value in an array, how do you actually stop it? You automatically break it, right? You automatically break the full value if you don't have equal sign. So you need an equal sign for the single value, and also you need to just double check how about L and R are in the same place or not. If they are, and if the middle value is actually match the target, then you just return the middle index, and they just run the code and see what happened. Okay, good. So how about time and space complexity? Time is definitely login, right? And space is actually constant because you're not creating any space. This is pretty local stuff. So local value is actually not sorting every element, and that will be my solution. And this question is pretty easy and standard. Just don't forget the equal sign, and see you next time.